where some just see a massive mess of green, I see yarrow. This is a field daisy. Sometimes people think it's a weed, but I think it's pretty. I see strawberries, clover. Some people think it's a weed, but it's not. You can actually eat these. When I was little, I used to take these, pick it up, and the little watery sap that comes off at the end of that is mildly sweet. And then there's this is a currant bush, or aronia actually. We've got some chive. And just the other day, lemon balm came. And oh, it smells so good. Now with this, I'm pretty sure, let me rub my hand on it. Yes, Roman chamomile. Gorgeous. Smells so good. And see here, I think that's a weed. Chive. This acts like a weed. I don't know what it is, but look, we got some hanging flowers. I can't remember what these things are called, but they're cute. Oh, and we got some mint popping up.